Hello everybody. You know what today is. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a ever raved over, I would not say rave, but I'm gonna say it anyway, that I've seen so many people do. Take that back, 2. I've seen about 2 people do it. But I was like, wait a minute, this one thing is kind of in my expertise. I definitely want to try this out. And it's henna. This is a henna cone I got from my local Indian market. Baby boy! Can we focus on him, please? Just kidding, my camera doesn't have autofocus. Baby boy, say hello! This is my dog. His name's Buddy. He's a Shih Tzu Maltese. He's like 11 now, I think. He's my son, and I love him. Say hello, son. Say hi. Aww. And yeah, let's just jump into it. I want to have henna freckles. I love freckles. It's something that I literally always add on to like all of my makeup looks. So why don't I just put it on right now? Okay, not bad. And yeah, we leave it on for 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Ugh! I'm so way too impatient for this. I don't even think it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna wipe it off anyways. Let's see if it does anything. Oh yeah, okay. Let's try it on my face. Woo! When I saw Naomi do it, she said she went off with a girl from an Instagram video from like, I want to say years ago, because I feel like I've seen that literally so long ago, but whatever. She said on the video, she actually talked to the girl who like started the whole thing, I guess. Don't quote me on that. She started the whole thing and she said she used like an oil on her face before. But I don't know what kind of oil to use, so I'm just not gonna do that. Also, I'm black, so I don't know how well this is gonna show up. Oh well! Okay, here's an update. There is no way this is gonna come out looking cute on me. No way, because I am black. This might look kind of really ugly, but it's fine. Naomi showed up really good, so I wanted to like try it. But also, she's white and I'm black. I have no idea how it's gonna work. Okay. Oh, I look crazy. Oh my god. Y'all, I look like I got bugs on my face. Oh my god. I look crazy. I literally look like I have bugs on my face. Yuck. It looks so gross. Ew. Ew. These things look so freaking. Ew, yo. You see what they're like doing? Like over here. Ew, look at that one. Kind of like see how crazy I look right now. Ow, I just poked myself in the eye. Feels like henna, so I don't know why I'm touching it. I know what it feels like. If you care about yourself in 2018, you need to go right on back to 2017. You need to go right on back to 2018, because in 2019, we don't care about ourselves. Period. And that's on the set. This smell is so strong. I'm gonna let this stay on for like 2 or 3 hours and I'm gonna come back and take it off and hopefully it will look good. So I'll see you guys in a bit. What time is it? Alright, it is now 6:30. I've had this on for like 3 hours, I think. I probably look way more busted than I did when I first got here. Tell me knew I looked the same. A little bit disappointed. So, I'm ready to take this off. It looks like it's dyed pretty well on my hand, but not on the back of my hand. You can barely see it on the back right there. I know personally, well not personally, factual. Well, no, I don't know if it's factual either. Okay, I know you are supposed to flick this off and not take it off with water, but that's a lot of little dots to try to flick off. So I'm gonna hurt the freak out of my face trying to do that. I'm just gonna use some toning mist from a beta, which is basically just toner. I don't know if this will work or not. Okay, so far I'm not seeing a difference at all. So I mean, that's fun, I guess. Yeah, there's nothing there. Do you think it's maybe the toning mist? Okay, yeah, no, there's nothing there. That was a failure. Can you say disappointing? But I mean, what's disappointment to low expectations? Nothing. So all in all, nothing happened. And that's just fantastic because I wasted an entire day trying to film this video. That's great, really. No, it's fantastic, really. Here's the thing. Henna takes about 27 hours for it to show up as this real, true color. And I'm starting to feel like Jenna. And Jenna resorted to just using eyebrow tint to do her freckles, which is smart, but very, very, very easy to mess up. So I don't know if I want to take the chance. Just one freckle. Because I watched too many videos. That's why I got hurt. It's alright. It's alright. So I put it on again, obviously, and I'm gonna try to keep it on all night. No guarantees, but I want to see if this will come out. What's up? Editing Jenny here. I just want to come on here and say what I'm about to say is kind of inappropriate, so like don't take it personally, I don't know. Take it lightheartedly. I should have told my mom. She actually told me not to keep that in, so I'm gonna keep it in because I think it's funny, but take it lightheartedly. I'm just joking, okay? To all my black queens out there watching this, because they always wanted to know, will the henna freckle trend look just as good as me as it do on these white folk? My name's Drini Rapper, and I do the stupid stuff so you don't have to. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Have a good night. Thanks for showing your support. Sir? Low expectations. You'll never get hurt. Wow, I'm in the car! My head's cut off, but it's fine. So, I know what you're wondering. Why are you in the car? Why are you wearing those stupid sunglasses? I got a lot of answers for you, alright? And you have a whole lot of questions, so if you want to pipe down, that'd be great. Okay, you can really see me right there. Ooh, what if I put it right here? I'm about to get into a freaking accident. I know this angle is very awkward, but you'll see the steering wheel. Sorry, look, I got my nails on though. Alright, so here's what's going on. I didn't end up finishing filming the henna freckles because they barely showed up. It was like a failure. So I was like, alright, I'm gonna have to go to plan B. And plan B is currently at the store, which is where I'm going right now. Fun, caught you up. I'll still show you what it looked like. It was kind of cute, but you could only tell I had freckles when you was like in my face. Then it was like, oh, okay, she has freckles. Cute, she's a little black girl with freckles, you know? Plan B is to try it with, what the freak? Oh, you can't see me! Why did he just stick his hand out the window? What the freak? Plan B is, you can't see me again. Dang it, darn it. Hello? Plan B! God dang, plan B is to use eyebrow tints. Ah! Super fun, right? One of my friends used like Just for Men. She's a girl. And her eyebrows were freaking bomb. Why walk out in the street, sir? Her eyebrows stayed super freaking dark for like, not like super dark, but it, like, you know, it looked like she had her eyebrows on when she woke up every morning. It stayed for a really long time, so I'm gonna see if I can find that. Also, I have to hurry up and do this because my mom is where'd you do my hair today? And she said when she's done with my sister's hair, she's doing my hair, no questions asked. If I'm being honest with you, I don't know how that's gonna work because It's my jet black, real black, dark brown, darkest brown. What? Medium brown, light brown, dark black, medium brown. Are there two different medium browns? Oh my god. So, I ended up just getting. This is the third time I said that, and I need to figure out what the freak I got, okay? I think I ended up going with the dark brown, not the darkest brown. I don't know. It was kind of confusing. It was like 5 different shades of the same brown. Very confused. I'm Journey Bradford, and I'm here to do stupid things so you don't have to. Okay, so I got this stuff as I explained in the car. This is a lot. Definitely not using this. Oh, wait a minute. I can like, oh. My mind, just so smart. We're not even doing it the right way. So like, what's the point of reading the directions? Developer and base. Why do I pour this in? Pour it in this. How much do I squeeze? Oh, this is equal amount. Basically, I just gotta go like this. Oh god, that's a lot. Ew, that looks nasty. I don't think this is my color. I gotta take the developer and go like that. Maybe I should have got dark. And mix it up. It's kind of like go ham on my face, you know. Should I do a patch test? Do I want to do a patch test? No, I know. Just take a little detail brush. So now I just dip it. Was that even English? I don't think so. Oh, how long do you leave this on? It says do not mix with the bristle end. Haha, which I did. Who cares about instructions? Wash your face after application, not before. I'm smart. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. It seems like God does not want me to have freckles. I don't know why. Maybe you should ask him. You don't want me to have them. Ta-da! So here's what my hand looks like. You can't see anything because my camera doesn't have autofocus, so sucks to be you, doesn't it? Oh, wait a minute. She's kind of dark. She's kind of dark. Still can't see. Tricked ya. Y'all, I might have freckles. Watch out now. Okay, look how dark they got. They got a little bit too dark, so I'm gonna take some off. What the? Why is it gone? Why didn't it stain my face? What the freak? Honestly, at this point, I'm stressed. Not only am I stressed, I'm sad because I feel like God is like, this little black girl is not supposed to have freckles. He's like, it's not the way the world works. I'm sorry, but you can't have them. I just want freckles. I'm gonna try again though. Okay, maybe I just have to leave it on longer. I don't know. It said leave it on for 5 minutes, so. Okay, wait. This is kind of ugly. Oh man. Maybe God knew what he was doing when he said this is not gonna work. But I mean, I already started for the video, so you won't see me trying to end it just because I look ugly. Like what? I look ugly all the time. That don't mean I'm gonna stop. That ain't gonna stop me. Okay. It seems as though I'm coming to an end on how long I want to wait for these things to show up. So I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. Okay, well that didn't. Oh wait. That kind of stained. Oop! It stained. Time to take it out. I have freckles. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god, you can't even really see. Oh my god. Yo, I got freckles. Okay, I look exotic. I have freckles.
Oh my gosh, what? You really do. Wow.
Ain't it cute? Yeah. Yo, these are so... Yeah, I have this thing where I don't know how to stop. See, I'm still going. Why am I still going? I'm so happy this worked out. I'm happy. I thought this was gonna be a failure. I hope you guys are also happy that it turned out well for me. Who is she? She's a freckled black queen. Period. Let him know. I am so happy this turned out well. I'm just so happy. I'm cute or whatever. I'm freaking cute. I'm what? Cute. I'm cute with or without freckles, but with freckles I am cuter. Don't at me, cause I'm cuter than you. Period. Oh! You said what? You said she's a freckled queen. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna end the video here because I'm done and I'm cute and I came to show y'all how cute I am and it worked. Get in my face. What do you mean you're just camera? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, because I know you did, you finished to the end, I know you liked it. Hit that like button down below. Who you joking? Just go hit it. You're on your phone right now. Turn the phone over and hit the like. I know you can do it. It's not hard. If you're on your computer, scroll down, hit that like. It's not hurting nobody, but it's helping me. I'm just kidding. I don't know how it helps me yet, but that's what all YouTubers say, so I'm gonna say it too. It helps me. And you know what else helps me? Hitting the subscribe button, which is right next to the like button. Can you believe that? Everything is just so convenient for you. Just right there. Just click it if you enjoyed. If you didn't, I know you did, so it doesn't even matter. And then until next time, I will see you all in my next video. And bye.